value in peer learning is enormous. You can't quantify it. When my peer trains me, I understand it better. You meet, you share experiences, you exchange ideas, and you learn from one another because most of us come from the same environment.
A critical component of the BID initiative is to take what we learn in Tanzania and Zambia and be able to share that with many. Having the BID Learning Network to learn from and to share, that's a key part of how we, the BID initiative, are going to scale beyond just our 2 demonstration countries and have a greater impact across the region.
One of the key functions of the BLN is to bring peers together. Every single person has something to share and they have something to learn. They debate issues, they challenge each other, they critique each other.
For the countries that are implementing BID interventions, these interventions can be packaged and given to other countries. The purpose of the packaging is to make this something that is open to everyone.
I've been able to interface with my colleagues across Africa. The debates we had today, the roundtable meetings around thematic areas, helped us to consolidate how we can address the challenges which seem common across Africa, and together agree how we can move forward to improve the data quality in our countries.
These meetings are extremely valuable because you learn what countries are doing and you can tweak them to your particular context. And vice versa, also providing our own perspective to the learning network.
On a pu échanger avec certains pays assez avancés, qu'on avait déjà vu de la collecte des données à partir donc, de la tablette avec le lecteur de code à barre, mais on n'avait pas dit de façon pratique comment ça fonctionnait. La visite de terrain qu'on a fait cette fois-ci nous a permis de voir vraiment de façon pratique comment ça fonctionne. Et je pense que tout ça, ça sera des arguments qu'on va présenter à nos responsables pour voir si également on peut s'engager dans cette direction-là et surtout améliorer nos données de vaccination.
One of the key things that I've observed is that countries come, we discuss issues, and issues are picked up. When you get back home, the emails that you get ask questions or inviting you to come and support them. My colleagues in other countries see me as their brother. So my problem is their problem. And if there is any support that they need, some of us are ready to provide that support for them. It is simply because of the peer learning network.
It also provides other platforms where you can actually continue the debate and the discussions on the progression that's being done in each country, so that we don't have to reinvent things that are working, but rather improve and contribute to what other people have already done.
J'avoue qu'entre-temps, nous avons beaucoup appris de ces réseaux, parce que ces réseaux, ils nous ouvrent la porte des autres pays. Je suis plus motivé à appliquer les leçons apprises dans ces réseaux parce que, en réalité, ce sont des engagements que nous prenons lorsque nous nous rencontrons et c'est un point d'honneur que nous faisons d'appliquer, de respecter ces engagements.
During my stay here, I was able to validate a number of things. That yes, Uganda is on the right path. We now have frameworks that inform the e-health investment in Uganda. Therefore, I'm carrying a message back home to our development partners that this is an area that we must support and it's the future.